Good morning, respected ma'am. Today, my topic name is Transitional Butterworth Chebyshev Filter. My name is N. Balaji from EC department. Before coming into the introduction, we have to know what is Butterworth filter. Butterworth filter is a type of filter, processing filter designed to have a frequency response as fast as possible in the passband. It is also referred to as a maximally flat magnetic filter. It was first described in 1930 by British engineer in his paper entitled On the Theory of Filter Amplifier. The Butterworth filter, while overviewing with gain and phase response, the frequency response of a Butterworth filter is maximally flat in the passband and rolls off towards zero in the stopband. When viewed to logarithmic bird plot, the response slopes of linear towards negative infinity. A first order filter response rolls off 6 dB per octave, minus 20 dB per decade. All first order low pass filters have normalized filters response. The second order filter decreased minus 12 dB per octave. The third order at minus 18 dB. So on, Butterworth filter monotonically changing magnitude function with omega. Unlike other filters, types of non-monotonical ripple, passband or stopband. So, and another we having Chebyshev filter. So, Chebyshev filter are analog or digital filter, having a steeper roll off than Butterworth filter, and have passband ripple or stopband ripple. Chebyshev filter have the property that they minimize the error between the idealized and actual filter characteristics over the range of the filter reference, but the ripple in the passband. This type of filter is named after Chebyshev because it is mathematically characterized as Chebyshev polynomials. The type 1 Chebyshev filters are called usually Chebyshev filters. The type 2 one are usually called as inverse Chebyshev filters because of passband ripple inherited Chebyshev filters. The one that have smoother response in the passband but more regular response in the stopband, preferred for some applications. So the here my topic is transitional Butterworth Chebyshev filter. So this filter is a device that eliminates interference signal of transmitting end and receiving end of equipment. When designing a filter, usually traditional filter such as Butterworth, Chebyshev and so on would be chosen. But there is a contradiction between both above filters phase frequency characteristics and amplitude frequency characteristics. In order to solve these questions, some scholars begin to study transitional filters, attempt to find a balance between the phase frequency characteristics, amplitude frequency characteristics. Simple design method of transitional Butterworth filters in literature. The design TBC filter, which is nothing but transitional Butterworth Chebyshev filter, amplitude frequencies and the linear phase response got proved, and this filter transfer optimizing pole distribution appropriately a make pole for away the imaginary axis. The proving this system is literature. So this Chebyshev filter low pass transfer function can be integrated by poles. The Chebyshev filters are sharper than Butterworth filters. They are not as sharp as elliptical one, but they show fewer ripples over bandwidth. So, uh, so So the passband exhibits equiripple behavior with the ripple determined by the ripple factor. In the passband, the Chebyshev polynomial alternates between -1 to +1. So the filter gain alternate between maxima at g is equal to 1 and minima at g is equal to 1 by omega z. So here the frequency is equal to so here the formula is sigma equal to sin h by 1 by n sin h inverse of 1 by e. So when n is equal to even, that n is different with odd number. Next, poles and zeros. For simplicity, it is assumed that the cutoff frequency is equal to unity. The poles of the gain function of the Chebyshev filters are the zero of the denominator of the gain function. Using the complex frequency, the occurs. The Chebyshev polynomial yields theta equal to pi by 2 2m by n. And Chebyshev low pass filter and the Butterworth low pass filter, which are third order isoflux with ripple. Through observing comparing the frequency response graphs, three kinds of low pass filters could be found that compared the amplitude frequency characteristics of the IT transitional Butterworth Chebyshev filter low pass filter. With the Butterworth low pass filter, is passband was smooth but the bandwidth was narrower. The transitional band attenuation was slow. In the phase frequency response graph, the low pass filter was the gentlest and the linear phase response was the best of three kind of filters. The phase linear was often used to evaluate signal phase distortion degree. After filtering, the better the linear phase response. The smaller the signal distortion degree was, then the more stable system. Though the phase measured result fluctuated slightly, whole linear was good. Conclusion. Results reached theory requires basically and achieved good phase characterization as well. In the future, ITBC filters will applied in microstrip filters with more compiled structure. The ITBC low pass filters, zero pole, phase characterization, step response, other parametric for comparative analysis, Chebyshev filter and Butterworth filter. Thank you.